Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for your Hyundai Tucson 21 to 24 key fob battery. Okay, now you need the 20 CR2450 battery. You see the slope here? See the slope here, yeah? You use a screwdriver, yeah, to pop this open. Okay, to pop this open, yeah, like that, yeah. Insert the screwdriver and then you just twist it, yeah, go around it, slowly go around it, yeah, and then you would just pop open like that. Yeah, here's the CR2450. Yeah, it's a much bigger battery. Yeah, 2450. Okay, so you just push it out like that. Yeah, gently push it out like that. Here we go. Here's the batteries, CR2450. Yeah, it's a much bigger battery. Yeah, if you compare these two, right, this is 2025, this is 2450, much bigger battery. See, much bigger. Yeah, to replace it, you go in like that. Yeah, go in like that. Okay, go in like that, push it in. Yeah, push it in with the plus sign facing up. Okay, just line the cover up. Yeah, the cover line up like that, line it up. Yeah, press it down. Okay, press it down. Yeah, it's all done. Okay, it's all done. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, this is Hyundai Tucson year 21 to 24. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.